When you create web applications, you need to ensure that the users get 100% uptime for the web applications they are accessing. This cannot be achieved with a single web server because if that web server is down for maintenance purposes, patching, or for any other reason, then the end users will have difficulty accessing the application hosted on the web server. For redundancy purposes, organizations would create multiple web servers and put them behind a load balancer. The load balancer absorbs the traffic and evenly distributes the traffic originating from various regions to the web servers hosted in your data center. Azure provides this service with a service offering called Azure Load Balancer. The Azure Load Balancer ensures that the applications hosted on your data center are highly available. The Azure Load Balancer can be used for traffic originating from the internet and also for the intranet-based applications. So the purpose of the load balancer is to distribute the traffic to the virtual machines configured in the backend pool created in Azure console.